In this video, I'm going to walk you through YouLearn AI, which is basically your on-demand tutor for PDFs, YouTube videos, and even lectures. We'll sign up, upload real study material, generate summaries and quizzes, chat with the AI, and then I'll share the pros and cons. So let's get started. So first, go to YouLearn AI site. So this is the page that you see on screen. Click Get Started and create your account. You can sign in with your Google account or any Gmail. Then after you log in, you land on the main dashboard. And in the middle of the dashboard, you will see three big choices: upload, paste, and record. So upload is for files like PDFs from your computer. Paste is for links like YouTube, websites, or a direct PDF link. And record is for your own lecture recordings. You also have spaces, which work a bit like Notion. You can create separate spaces for each subject, class, or topic so your notes and files stay organized. And on the left side is your menu with spaces, history, feedback, and the Chrome extension. Click the Chrome extension, it takes you to the installed page. So I recommend adding it. With the extension on your browser, you can send a PDF or a YouTube video to YouLearn with one click and go back to the dashboard once that is installed. Now let's try upload. So I'll upload a simple fact sheet as an example. So YouLearn takes a few seconds to process the file. And then after it finishes, you will see the learning modes at the top. So this includes chat, flashcards, quizzes, podcast summary, chapters, and notes. So open chat first. So in here, you can ask anything about the document that you uploaded. I'll ask it to explain an analytical report. The AI reads the file and gives a clear answer that matches what is in the document. There is also a small S button for sources. And when you click it, YouLearn jumps to the exact part of the document where that answer came from. This is actually very helpful because you can verify the responses right away. You can also pick which AI model to use. So the list includes GPT-5 Mini, Cloud 4.5 Sonnet, GPT-5, Gemini 2.5 Pro, and Grok 4. Only GPT-5 Mini is free, and the other models required a paid plan. Open the Add Context, you'll see options like Learn Plus, Search, and Study Mode. And in the other tools sections, you will find study tools and chat instructions. You can also speak instead of typing, which is actually handy when you're tired of the keyboard. Switch to flashcards, tap Generate, and YouLearn builds a deck from that document. If the file is long, it can take a minute or two. And after the deck appears, you can use spaced repetition to study or choose fast review if you want a quick pass. And your deck progress shows at the bottom. You can also add your own cards anytime. Open quizzes next. So tap Generate, and YouLearn creates questions from your file. You can get multiple choice, short response, true or false, or fill in the blank. And if you only want certain types, go back and tap the small settings icon next to Generate. So in there, you can choose the question type, the difficulty, the number of questions, the topics, and what the quiz should focus on. Then tap Generate again, and it follows your settings. And for podcast, the idea is very simple. Tap Generate, and YouLearn turns the content into a short audio version so you can learn by listening. Go to Summary, and then YouLearn gives you a summary of the document. You can pick how you want it. There is a detailed summary for a deeper read, a cheat sheet for quick key points, a short summary if you want the basics fast, and an option called Create a Prompt. You can also enable auto-generate summary if you want summaries to be created automatically whenever you upload a file. You still get access to the parts of the document where the points came from. And chapters is similar to summary, but more structured by pages. So it breaks the document into page 1, page 2, and so on. And each page gets a short explanation, which helps you when you want to study in small chunks. And one of the best parts of YouLearn is that you can highlight any text inside the document and choose explain, chat, quiz, or flashcards. And if a paragraph is confusing, highlight it and tap explain. And then YouLearn gives you a simple clarification right there, and you can ask follow-up questions in the same view. So far we use upload. Paste works the same way but starts from a link. So paste a YouTube link, a website link, or a PDF link, and you get the same mods like chat, summary, flashcards, and more. And then record lets you upload or record your lectures. You can then ask YouLearn to summarize the talk or create questions from it. I find this less useful than upload and paste, but it's still an option. And by the way, if you want to support this channel, feel free to use our affiliate links given in the video description below. This will help us make more videos like this. And also, you can use the coupon code ENJOY15 at checkout for a 15% discount on your first payment. Now let's talk about pricing so you know what each plan includes. There are 3 plans. So we have a free, pro, and team. So the free plan is a $0 per month. It gives you 3 uploads, paste, or records per day, 5 AI chats per day, or 10 if you use a Learn Plus mode. 1 quiz answers per day, 2 practice exams per month, and 1 podcast per day, and uploads up to 100 pages or 10 megabytes in size. This is actually okay for light use, but you can run into limits quickly. So the pro plan is billed annually at $12 per month. So this plan gives you unlimited uploads, paste, and records, unlimited AI chats, unlimited quiz generation, unlimited practice exams, and up to 10 podcasts per day. You can also upload much larger files too, up to 2,000 pages or 300 megabytes. And if you study a lot, this plan removes the major limits. And on the pricing screen, there is a pay yearly option that shows a save 40% tag, which is why this billed annually price is lower than monthly. The team plan is $9 per month per seat when billed annually, and it requires at least 3 seats. It includes everything in Pro and adds team features like scaled discounts with more seats, centralized billing, shared spaces, and the ability to add, remove, and set custom permissions for team members. And if you study in a group or need shared control, this makes sense. So let's quickly review the pros and cons. So the pros are strong for learning. You can bring in materials from your computer or from the web, and the modes are practical. You have summaries, flashcards, quizzes, podcasts, chapters, and chat. The AI models are solid, and the answers usually match the document. It also shows the exact source inside the file, which builds trust in the result. And there are also some cons. You cannot upload images or PowerPoint files. There is no mind map or diagram view for visual learners, and sometimes the answers can feel a bit shallow and do not go very deep. But even that, I still think this is a good tool to speed up studying and review. That is YouLearn AI from start to finish. You saw how to set up your account, bring in a document, chat with it, make flashcards, create quizzes, generate a podcast, get a summary, and break the file into chapters. You also saw how to highlight text to explain a part that you do not understand, and how paste and record works the same way with links and lectures. And if this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend or your study group. Thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate your time, and I'll see you on the next one.